I wanted to demonstrate something. For you studio scale modeler guys, the Coolshade is really hard to get nowadays. There is a company in Europe that makes a similar product nowadays, a modern version, but it's not exactly the same. This isn't exactly the same as Coolshade, but this can be done at home if you have a laser cutter. Let me show you this. This is a little sample I did. So this is the same dimensions as a piece of Coolshade, and it's laser cut. I had to play around with the settings. This was all done this morning because I need these screens for a studio scale project I'm working on. But this is really great stuff. There's a little bit of a raise on these ribs just because of the nature of the laser when it cuts through these, but here is a little piece I did. So I also have a Falcon project going on. This is the grills in the back, and this is the small version, but you can do a big round circle of this if you wanted to. This is for the ATST project. This is the little grid that goes on the back of these guys here. If anyone's interested in getting some Coolshade made up, if you can't find it, if you can't find little pieces, I can laser cut these guys without a problem. There's my little demo on homemade Coolshade replica.